Hi, are you a baseball fan? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your iPhone to send out baseball emojis to all of your friends and family. It's a cool app. Check it out. Okay, to send baseball emojis to all your friends and family, you open up your iPhone text message app and then you tap on the baseball emoji app, and you can tap on the top and you'll see all of the different emojis for baseball that are available here. So these are pretty cool. So say you wanted to actually send the one of the baseball crying app, and there you go. You can see how big this is. And you can actually type a person's name that you want to send it to. I will put my wife's name, Pam, and then I am going to actually tap on that bottom send button, and there's options here you can select for this. You can select gentle, you can select loud, you can select slam, and then you can go to the screens and you can send all these different screens with your emoji baseball also. Isn't that cool? This one's kind of neat with balloons. This one's with confetti. This one's with love. This is a laser. That's pretty cool. Fireworks. Celebration. Okay, so I tell you what, I'm going to have a link to the bottom of this video. If you want to download it, you can start to use it for free right now. Download it to your iPhone and send out all kinds of baseball emojis to your friends and family. All right, thanks.